Hey guys, Joe Richardson here from Thinkaholics. We're back at Midwest Dreamin'. I'm here with Steve Alfonso, the Regional Sales Manager from Coveo. So what can you tell everybody about what you guys do?
Well, we're a Salesforce partner and a vendor. We provide intelligent search that provides a personalized experience for Community Cloud and Service Cloud.
Okay, so essentially, instead of like Salesforce Global Search or maybe even on top of Salesforce Global Search, you guys kind of have a lot more functionality for finding things, for grouping things. Like
we do. We like to say we make business personal. So we're able to index just about any type of content data that's out there and make it findable inside of a Salesforce environment. The next thing that we do is we apply usage analytics so that you know what people are looking for, what they're not finding if they get a no results search back, and then you can do things in terms of content curation and stay on top of the content gap, if you will. And then the last thing that we do is we apply AI and machine learning so that your environment is auto-tuned, so it's always personal and you're always getting a relevant experience every time you look for something.
So based on usage, based on what people actually click on when they search, you're feeding all that data back in for the machine learning stuff?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're collecting, if you will, all the behaviors on a site, and we're using that to make the experience truly relevant so that you get the right thing the next time you're looking for it.
Okay. And so you mentioned, about the type of stuff you index. So are you just indexing stuff in Salesforce, or do you also index stuff outside and surface that up?
That's a key component. We actually are able to unify the index, and what that really does for our clients is it gives them the ability to unify all their content and rank it so that you can look at all of your content and truly make the experience personal for the end user, the person looking for the information.
So what are some examples of other sources where you're indexing documents, data?
Lots of them. There's actually over 60 connectors, but a SharePoint environment, a file share, something that might be out on a website. YouTube is another source that we might have, or a file share. These are all places where companies are putting content, and we're able to index that and surface it inside of a Salesforce Service Cloud or community environment.
So what's like new? What are you guys working on? What's something coming out?
Well, I'm glad you asked. What's really new is we've come out with a free edition of Coveo for Salesforce for Community Cloud. So today, clients can go to AppExchange and download Coveo for Community Cloud and start to test it out.
Okay, and that's like customer communities. So your clients, their customers can log in and do their own searching?
Absolutely, and download it and put it on their Community Cloud and start to take advantage of the usage analytics and the machine learning and truly start to begin to get a feel for what it's like to have a relevant, personalized experience on your site.
Well, you definitely can't beat the price. So, and that's just like a good way for someone to see, and kind of give power to their own customers, right?
Absolutely. It's a way to really test the experience. One caveat is it is only going to index information inside of Salesforce.
Okay.
The next version really opens up the unified index, and they can do that down the road at any point in time that they'd like.
Gotcha. And just quick question on the communities piece. So do you see customers using it like in customer communities and partner communities to kind of help their partners, or?
Actually, partner communities is one of the #1 use cases for Coveo for Community Cloud.
It's like self-help.
Absolutely. Just any sort of knowledge that you're trying to share with your partners to give them the competitive advantage. That's when you really want to bring in Coveo for Community Cloud. It does work definitely in a B2C type of environment as well. That's the second most use case. And certainly whenever somebody's trying to do self-service on a site, that's a great use case for Coveo for Community Cloud as well.
Okay, so if people want to try it out, what's the best thing for them to do?
Go to the AppExchange and download Coveo for Salesforce.
Okay. All right, well, thanks so much for your time.
Great, thank you.
Hey, if you like our videos, please be sure to subscribe and follow us on Twitter.